Topaz Astra Review. Is it worth it? Topaz Astra is a cloud-based AI video upscaling and enhancement tool launched in early access in June 2025. It's designed to upscale videos, especially AI-generated content to 4K resolution while enhancing detail and smoothing motion. It introduces dual enhancing, scaling, and modes powered by Topaz Starlight AI models. So its key features are it offers a creative mode, which adds new, amplified detail to the footage with subtle or bold strength levels. It also has the precise mode, which restores and sharpens detail while maintaining original look. They also have a frame interpolation, which means it smoothly raises frame rates up to 120 FPS. And they have a web-only interface, so it works through a browser with live previews and timeline-based comparisons. So, although it comes with a downside, it is still on early access only, and it requires to be waitlisted not to be publicly available yet. So you need to be waitlisted in order to use the platform. And then it offers a high resource and cost dependency. So there's only cloud-only processing, which can still be expensive and slow. And it also has an artifact risk. Some users report detail, distortions, or bizarre artifacts. And then lastly, they have very ambiguous pricing and credits, which is the cost per minute or quality tier isn't fully published. So in conclusion, although it is an impressive leap in AI video enhancement, especially with its dual mode, real-time upscaling, and frame interpolation, however, given its early access status, it is still unclear with the pricing and higher processing costs. You may want to risky to commit immediately.